that fun? What was your favorite ride at Santa's Village?
The only one is to
take that out so we can.
That belly thing goes around and it flies, and then it hurts my tummy.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's the tilt-a-whirl.
You like that one?
No.
No.
What one did you like?
I like a dragon one.
That's a good one. Woo! Wow!
Whoa! Watch out, Ma! You're gonna fall. Don't let her fall.
Okay.
Silly.
Woo!
So when she says, "I want to live with Uncle DJ," this is why.
Because I'm a jungle gym?
Yeah, I was waiting for that.
Woo! More lemon heads. I think he ate them all.
Yeah, I think Bun ate the rest of the lemon heads.
Yeah, all gone. All gone.
I feel some more.
I don't know.
She says, "I'm not dumb. There's more lemon heads in there."
Okay, maybe you're right. Maybe just a few.
I see them.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
There's some more.
Okay.
There's a lot.
I guess so.
Hot. Aww.
Wow. You have lots of energy, huh?
Ah, she licked you.
You licked me?
No licking. No licking.
Woo!
Whoa!
Where you going, kiddo?
TJ's really uncomfortable right now.
Sleep time? Whoop! Woo! Wow!
Whoa! Be nice to Uncle DJ.
Oh.
Be nice to Uncle DJ.